Hi, this tutorial is to help you set up your Google Classroom titles. We established some consistencies for all staff in order to aid parents, students, and staff the ability to see assignments quickly on Google Calendar and identify subjects and periods rapidly. First, the tech department will create your Google Classrooms using the information in PowerSchool for your class roster. This way, your Google Classroom will always match your class roster. Usually at the end of the day, if you have a new student, it may take a day to refresh your Google Classroom. This eliminates the need for students to have to enter a code as they are automatically in your class. Secondly, we are going to use titling/color consistencies to make sure that anyone can look at a class and know the period, subject, grade, and in elective cases, the trimester. These classes will show up in Google Calendar, making it easy for parents and students to recognize them. So let's get started. So you'll see here that we have the different color coding, or first let's start with titling. We'll show that you have the title, the period, the subject, the grade level. And then if I go into Google Classroom, these are classes from last year. You'll see that they're all kind of a little different and they all have different titles. We're going to change. So for example, here, if I go into a tech class here, I'm going to change the title. This is one that PowerSchool has done. So I'm going to go into settings. I'm going to go up here to this settings button with a little gear. I'm going to change this now to the period, which in this case is 4, tech, and then I'm going to put 6th grade. Now, so this is a trimester 3 class, so I'm going to add a T3. If you have a year-long class, you don't need to add the title. Then down here where it says section, I'm going to add my last name. I'm going to save it. All right, so you can see right here, 4, tech, and T3. Now, in our consistencies, we also are asking that you include color. So for electives, we want to use a gray color. For PE, blue, science, green, social studies is an orange or a coral, and then math is red and ELA is purple. This is so that parents can identify it easily on a Google Calendar. So we're going to, once you've established your theme, right here, you can select the themes. So if you are in math, you will notice that there is a math red theme. If you are in English and history, we have a history theme right here or a history theme right here. We just don't want it to look red. And then if you are in PE, we're looking for purple. So I think we had, I forget which one we did, like could be any sports, but we're looking for that color. Okay, so let's go back here. Oh, PE's blue, sorry. So once you have all your color coding in and the section number, you should be okay, and kids should be able to see it in Google Classroom. So all purple classes will be ELA, all math classes will be red, all social studies will be a coral or an orange color, and science green, PE blue, and electives gray. Thanks.